Okay guys, this is why we love what we do. We have a supercar, Lexus Lc 500. You don't see very many of these. This car is totally bad ass, okay? I love this car. Customer came in, it's brand new, curb rash. Well, we banged it out in not even an hour. So when you have a car such as this is definitely your baby, okay? Look at that. Look at the shape of that car. It is so freaking sexy. Oh my God, look at the lights. Look at the wheels. These wheels are chrome wheels. I believe there are 20-inch wheels. It's got the specialty brakes on it, specialty brake rotors, pads. Lexus did a beautiful job on this car. This is a wheel that we done. You can't see the curb rash. I'll see if I can find where we removed it. It was right from here to there. My guys cut it out and buffed it. You can't even tell that it even had a curb rash. But this is why we like what we do. Let me show you the cockpit on the inside of the car. This is a lovely car. It's just, this is what makes my day when I get cars such as this. So we deal with all types of cars, from Hondas, Toyotas, Mercedes, Lexus, Ferrari, Land Rover, Lamborghini, Ferraris, Bentleys, Aston Martins, you name it. We do them all. Wheels are wheels, okay? So you can definitely trust your car to Houston's best. HoustonWheelRepair.org, mywheeldoctor.com. This is another reason why we are the best. Don't forget to follow us on our YouTube channel, and we can be reached at 713-942-0294. That's 713-942-0294. Let me just give you a peek on the inside. Look at that. Look at that beautiful car. It's got that brand new car smell. Awesome. I mean, I just totally love it.